The 2025 Kia Tasman has officially earned a 5-star safety rating from the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, and it is already shaping up to be a standout in the competitive dual-cab pickup market. This rating applies to the four-wheel drive dual-cab variants of the Tasman, including the S, SX, and SX Plus models. The crash test scores reflect Kia's commitment to protecting both occupants and pedestrians. Adult and child occupant protection scored 85% each, while vulnerable road user protection came in at 74%. The vehicle also scored 80% in the safety assist category. One of the most notable highlights from the test was the Tasman's solid performance in the frontal offset crash test, which demonstrated low injury risks for both adult and child passengers. Although there was a minor penalty for what is called submarining, when a dummy's pelvis slides under the lap belt in the full-width frontal test, the issue did not significantly impact the overall score. Crash compatibility was also rated as low risk, meaning it plays well with others on the road in a collision scenario. As for safety tech, the Tasman brings a full load. Across these rated models, you will find 7 airbags, autonomous emergency braking with car-to-car, pedestrian, cyclist, and intersection functions, intelligent speed assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and emergency lane keeping. Features like adaptive cruise control and safe exit warning also come standard. It is worth noting that this 5-star safety rating does not yet apply to the two-wheel drive version, the X-Line or X-Pro trims, or upcoming single-cab variants. Those models will be evaluated separately as they become available. Kia has clearly gone all in to ensure the Tasman is a safe, smart choice for buyers looking for a dependable and well-equipped pickup. Whether you are driving solo or hauling your family, it delivers the protection that modern drivers expect. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss our next deep dive into the newest models on the road.